Hey everyone, my name is Amrita Seal and I am a BTech Biomedical 4th year student of GIS College of Engineering. Well, I have already been placed at AMRI Salt Lake, thus it is my duty to serve the mankind even in the outbreak. We all know right now what is the condition of the country, and in a hospital, each and every individual is equally important. Thus, even in this condition where people are asked to stay back at home safe and sound, we need to come out to the society so that each and every patient getting admitted to the hospitals can have a relief. So basically, what is our work? Like everyday work of a biomedical engineer, to see whether the machines are working properly, from the maintenance to the precautions and preventions. We need to do every single thing, even in this time, and even in the critical care where critical patients are admitted. We need to go there as well, despite of whatever the diseases the patient might be carrying. We need to go there. We need to see whether the patients are all right or not, because when you get into a hospital, it is your duty, it is your responsibility to see that whatever you are taking care of is maintained properly or not. So it's my earnest request to you all those who have opted this stream, please, it's an earnest request, try to be present and try to be responsible in your department. I can just tell you clearly, I'm just giving you the example of this hospital. The OPDs are completely empty, the isolations are completely full, so you can understand what is the condition right now. Even if the patient is admitted in a isolation, we need to get dressed up in that way and get into there. We are also in the forefront along with the doctors and the nurses and everything. And to be very honest, everybody back in the house, your parents and everybody, will be panicked about whatever will happen. But from the core of your heart, you should always know that this is the time during which a great pandemic like COVID-19 is spreading, and this is the time you should show that you are worth everything. Your responsibility should be your first priority. Everybody all over the places, whenever getting into a hospital, be it a doctor, nurse, whatever, they are also in front. So just think for once, if the biomedical engineers are not present, what would they do? Thus, we need to come literally every day to the hospitals and stand out brave. We are also afraid of everything, but we need to stand out brave, and we do that so that everybody stays safe. Thank you.